Hello and welcome to this video. What is Ember? Ember is a JavaScript framework for creating robust, complex web applications. Ember lets you create less code by using handlebars. Handlebars are basically template engines. Ember adopts the MVC approach. MVC stands for Model View Controller. Ember is very popular and used by a lot of companies. So to take a look at the companies currently using Ember, you just visit the link displayed on the screen. So this is the Ember website that displays people or companies currently using Ember. So if you just look through the list here, we can see we've got some big names here. We've got Microsoft, we've got Netflix, we've got Heroku, we've got LinkedIn. So feel free to look through the list, and that shows you the popularity of Ember. In my introduction to Ember, I mentioned that Ember is a JavaScript framework. What is a framework? A framework is like a scaffolding that you can build your application around. It basically also consists of some basic functionality that you can use to extend or improve your application. Earlier, I mentioned that Ember adopts the MVC architectural approach. What is MVC? MVC stands for Model, View, and Controller. The MVC approach makes it easier and possible to reuse code. The MVC style architecture isolates and separates the responsibilities of the application into three main components, which are the model, the view, and the controller. The model component is responsible for all the data related logic that the user will work with. So this can represent data that is being transferred between the view and the controller components, or any other business logic related data. The view component is used for all the UI logic. UI stands for user interface, so it's used for all the UI logic of the application. For example, it's responsible for the view that the user sees of the application, while the controller acts as an interface between the model and the view components to process all the business logic and incoming requests. Also, this includes the manipulation of data from the model component. So the controller basically is the middleman and acts between the model and the view in order to present the data that the user needs.